fucking noob like you! Is that we just tiebreaking? Damn, it feels good to not know English.
It feels good to be a great guy.
A great guy that's got a really tiny penis. I got lagged through my once by those kids, I swear to God, I'm fucking crying. Those fucking brick out in tears. There's one short! He's in long! I'm fucking dead! They're all on that side right now.
They're rotating.
Dude, it's fucking A.
Oh, I hear a few B. What the fuck?
Hey, bomb's tiny nerd! Jesus!
He knows exactly where you are.
He's cheating! He's probably not, but I'm just gonna say he is because why the fuck not? Yeah, dudes.
Lawnmower. Hold on.
Shut the fuck up, bitch! Dude, he lives in fucking Mexico. Obviously, someone's gonna be mowing the lawn. Hope he didn't hear that.
Christ, man.
Nah! 97! Fuck!
Ready for this 10 out of 10 flash? Oh.
There's an up here, though. Give me that deck real quick and then you get that up, bro.
Where's the up?
It's up there.
Come on, let me see if I can.
Give me the AK first. Oh, God. I didn't know it was that. Can I have that real quick, please? Okay, I didn't know he'd be there, dude. He just creeped up like a wee creeper.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill him.
Here, like, oh shit, no one crossed.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, he's hacking. He's a hacking gamer.
Jesus Christ, they're really fucking chilling. That's not that's a fucking MT4 now. Let's see.
Look at him staring at us, dude.
Girl, look at that body. I work out.
Imagine having 5,000.
You suck!
What? That was fucking.
Me llamo Ted.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna go on a live on this bitch.
You're about to go. You're about to go.
Cállese.
Jesus Christ.
Cállese,
You know
maldita
Spanish.
mierda. Maldita cuerda. Maldita cuerda el diablo.
The lick in the cup right now in the back of the club with the stars and the sluts in the cut right now. Like wow. Goddamn. Got goals, got plans, got hoes, got fans. God knows I am doing everything everyone said I can. And Twizzy to hit me like we in the city, let's get it. I said show enough now, let's go up, cause that's what we had.